Today I had the opportunity to record a video for one of the local tint shops in my area. Their name is Auto Impression, and I highly recommend them for any kind of PPF or tint you may be looking for. They have some really good prices and they're really professional about the way they do things. I really enjoyed going there and recording some of the work that they were doing. You'll see in this video that their attention to detail is just spot on. I'm gonna link all their information down in the description below. So if you are interested and you are in the Central Texas area, or even if you're not in the Central Texas area, go ahead, give them a call, get a quote, and see what they can do for you. Also, don't forget, I am having a giveaway. Once I hit 500 subscribers, one of those lucky subscribers is gonna win the giveaway, and the giveaway will be tailored to that lucky subscriber. So if you really do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe you can be the winner. Now, I need to get back to editing this video, which is the one that you just saw. It's right there. Well, you didn't just see it, but I need to get back to editing this video, which you're about to see as soon as we, get into it.